His work of art. I'm standing in His promise. I'm surrounded by His grace. He lifts me when I'm weary, puts His courage in my veins. Oh, oh, and when the world gets heavy, His Spirit pulls me through. He whispers, "You're not forgotten. I'm forever holding you." Oh, oh, my heart is overflowing with the love He placed inside. Now every step I'm taking is a testimony cry. I am loved, I am known, I am held by the Holy One. God loves me and I love Him. Yeah, yeah, the story's just begun. His love makes me love everybody, even those who broke my heart. God loves you too, every single one. Where is masterpiece? His work of art. His love is louder than the lies that try to chain me. Oh, oh, oh. His love is stronger than the pain that tried to break me. Oh, oh. His love is healing every wound that ever scarred me. Oh, oh, oh. His love is calling, calling every heart to mercy. I'm loved, I am known, I am held by the Holy One. God loves me and I love Him. Yeah, the story's just begun. His love makes me love everybody, even those who broke my heart. God loves you too, every single one. Where is masterpiece? His work of art. Oh, where is masterpiece? His work of art.